Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through the Narwal app settings for the Freo Z10. If you're interested in the Z10, the link to it will be in the video description. So first things first, we're in the Narwal app right here. We're just going to select Freo Z10 and enter into our device. From here, this is basically your main overview screen where you can get to all of the key features and settings for the Z10. We'll start in the top right-hand corner. We have a little settings icon. It looks like a nut. So you can select the nut, and from here we have our product info up at the top where you can rename the device. We have our device settings, firmware info. Then we have our Freo Mind settings, so you can configure the Freo mode right here if you want. So take a look at the options that you have. So you can adjust each of these as you see fit. Then moving along, we have our clean settings. So how often do you want it to wash the mops? You have 3 different area settings or by room. Edge mode, do you want it to extend the mop or wiggle? And then house cleaning sequence, you can adjust your maps and choose the sequence that you want. Which rooms clean first, second, third, you get the idea. So you can build that out. And then intensive cleaning for granular waste, you have that option to toggle on or off as well. Basically, you can adopt the right strategy to optimize cleaning results depending on when it recognizes that waste. Then we have our general settings here, steriless mode. So basically that would disable your sensors at the bottom so it could travel over larger thresholds and gaps. But again, if you have stairs, you turn that off, it will drive down the steps. Do not disturb, high altitude mode. So if you live in a high altitude environment, that'll adjust the cleaning performance and fan power. Child lock, family with pets, and auto power off. Basically, a family with pets will adjust the dustbin and maintenance cycles to be a little bit more tough, more often. That's your general settings. We have our base station settings, detergent, toggle on or off, auto dustbin, bag bacterial control, on or off, dust bag health index, which is cool. So we have a chart and graph there. Drying intensity, you have 3 different drying modes. We have our default cleaning mode on the base station, depending on if you want to use those buttons and controls. What do you want to have happen? Smart temperature controlled mopping system. That's basically the AI heated water, washing and drying. Auto dust collection mode. You have a silent and a strong. We really can't tell much of a difference between the two. And a base draining option at the bottom. So have to look at your base station settings. Map management, this is where you can support and add multiple maps, up to 4 maps at one time. Pick and choose your map here, edit, rename, and delete them. Then we have manage accessories. This gives us a rundown and breakdown of common parts and components when it's time to replace, clean. You get the idea. So nice breakout there for you. Language and voice settings, help section, and then third-party controls if you want to use your favorite voice assistant. You have that option there in the app. So that's a look at the device settings. Then further down, we have our map right here. So you can see a nice breakout of your map. On the right-hand side, we have a square with some lines through it. That's going to be your map settings. So we have the map management again, if you want to get there. But here's our map, and then we can choose our map to edit. Do you want to split, merge, rename, add furniture, choose your floor material, add carpet, set up no-go zones. So drag and drop. The red one's going to be no vacuuming and mopping. So we can toggle that one. That's great. Then we can add one that's just no vacuuming, and then we can add one that's just no mopping. So the color stays the same, but the icon changes between the 3. So choose which one you want. You can add multiples of each. Then we have heavily soiled rooms. So basically it will be able to identify that room is heavily soiled now. So you can set it, and then you'll see this nice little chart here letting us know what happens. When a room is recognized as heavily soiled, the robot will start intensive cleaning to ensure a clean floor. So if you have an area that you really want it to focus on or deep clean, you can identify that room right there. And then we have an edit floor plan option. This is pretty cool. So you can select the room that you want to edit, and then you can actually expand the room out on all of its sides. And below that icon on the right-hand side, we're moving down, we have a little station icon. Here's our base station controls. So we can start dust collection, we can start disinfection, we can wash the mop and start drying the mop. If you wash the mop, it will automatically start drying it afterwards. Here's our accessory usage right here. So we don't have any stain remover installed, but I guess that's an option at a later date, maybe when you're watching this video. And then we can manage our accessories. That takes us back to the main settings. Further down, we have room and zone options for cleaning. So if you want to do a room clean right now, you can pick and choose the rooms you want to clean, or you can add multiple zones. Just drag and drop on the map. And then at the bottom, we can configure our cleaning options. Do you want to vacuum and mop? Do you want to use the Freo Mind settings that you configured? Or do you want to just add your own settings here where you can adjust how many times it cleans, suction power, mop wetness, how precise you want the coverage to be. It'll take longer, if that makes sense. So you can vacuum and mop. You can vacuum, then mop. And again, Freo Mind or not, up to you if you want to use that mode. You can just vacuum. You can just mop. Or you have a customization option right here. Basically, set the parameters for each room on your map. It can do different cleaning parameters at each room, which is pretty cool. And below that, then we have a scheduling option, so you can set a schedule and forget about it. So right here, you can build that out. And on the right-hand side at the bottom, we have our history, so we can view our cleaning tasks, total area, how many hours it's ran, how many times, all of that right there. So you can get a breakdown week, month, or year. You can see all the task records, but I like having that breakdown up at the top. So you have your cleaning history and coverage as well. So that's a quick look at the app settings for the Narwal Freo Z10.